just acquired this lovely looking limited edition Scirocco 2-litre TDI. It's in beautiful condition. It's got diamond cut alloy wheels, absolutely unmarked. Just look round the car. This glacier white. It's got rear privacy glass, rear park distance control, twin exhausts. It is an absolutely stunning looking car in absolutely lovely condition. The vehicle has had the cam belt change with a full service history. That's very important. It's not cheap to do those. The half leather interior, rare on a Scirocco, with the Alcantara, electric mirrors, windows, automatic headlights. Got the boost gauge, all pressure, media pack, Bluetooth, climate control, 6-speed gearbox. All the media pack there. It's got a multifunction steering wheel. It's on 88,933 miles. It drives absolutely superb. DJH offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.